Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 1. Which of the following is a thallophyte? A. Fern, B. liverwort, C. moss, D. mold, and D. E. volvox. Now, thallophyte is a division. Thallophyte is a division under kingdom Plantae. Based on classification. Now, thallophytes, also known as algae, have what? They are simple green plants. They are simple green plants that are all aquatic. They are all aquatic. So they are simple what? Green plants. You can call them what? Simple aquatic green plants. Now, they are usually what? They usually have thread-like, or you call it filamentous, or flat bodies. That's these plants now that lack what? Vascular bundles. So that means the thallophytes do not have stem. They lack vascular bundles. They do not have stem. They do not have roots. They lack vascular bundles. Examples of thallophytes include, we have the Spirogera. The Spirogera is an example, and also the volvox is an example of what? Of thallophytes. They are what? They are algae. Now, option A here says fern. Now, fern is not a thallophyte. Fern is a what? Is a pteridophyte. Fern is a pteridophyte because it has vascular bundles. Liverwort and moss are bryophytes, also under kingdom Plantae. Now, mold is a fungi under kingdom fungi. And then E, volvox, is the answer to this question because volvox is a what? Is a thallophyte. So this is the correct answer to this question, volvox. And you should subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.